Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on the 4th generation Echo Dot. Go ahead and show you the box here. Some of our other unboxings and maybe even have the 2nd generation one. You can tell this box is quite a bit longer. Okay, let's go ahead and get this box open. You can see right away that they give you some pretty basic instructions on how to set it up. And this cardboard feels kind of cheap, which I believe is part of their going green pledge. So they've been using thinner material in their boxes. So we can see here, oh, this brick is quite a bit larger than the last one. Because the last one was a little bit square, this one's quite rectangular at 15 watts. Looks like it uses the same charger as the last generation. Okay. It's the end of the box. Hello, hola, bonjour. This must be like the start guide. It's got things to try with your dot. Went right to French, must have skipped a few pages. Oh, right here. Okay. And then important information must probably be like FCC warranty information. Yep. Limited warranty and all that. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. So you can see here, it's a sphere. I did not expect this, where it curves up with this hard plastic on the back. The website doesn't really show the back of the device. As you can see here, it's got the power hole right here. And then that looks to be a jack to plug in an external speaker. As you can see, there are taptic buttons up here. And then this looks to be the ring. And then, of course, the Amazon Smile is right here. Now, just for reference, I went ahead and brought in the 3rd generation dot. So you can see they're pretty different. And even this one is quite a bit larger. But as you can see, they have the same ports and the same buttons. And just for more reference, I brought in the 2nd generation dot. So you can see here, they seem to be getting bigger. And then even on this one, which took a different charger, it has the same exact ports all the way through. Just to show you guys, the charger fits in that one. Charger does not fit in this one because it takes a micro USB. All right, guys, I believe that's the end of our video. So go ahead and let us know down in the comments what you guys would like us to unbox next. Thank you guys. Catch you next time.